Tatlong araw namang sunod-sunod na umulan. Tingnan nga natin kung nag-survive pa yung nilipat kong kalamansi. Linisin ko muna itong kamya. Galing pa ito ng nababa. Hintay. Ang dami kong gwardiya dito Dali. Tatlong araw din na sunod-sunod ng ulan. Tingnan natin kung nag-survive ba yung ating lilipat na kalamansi. Yung kalaman dito ko kinuha yung puno ng kalamansi at yan na yun. Tatlong araw na sunod-sunod na ulan. Sana mag-survive ito. Ano pa naman siya buhay siya. Tapos dito meron yung konting sana magbuhay. Biglang taas ng malunggay kailangan maipadapa na ito. Saan ba ito pwesto? Kamabali dito na lang. Oops. Sa ilalim. Yan na yung malunggay, nakadapa na. Tinalian na lang siya dito para siguradong dapa. Ito yung puno naman ng kakao na ito dapat ipagsangan na ito hindi lumaki. So yung wala siyang pangpwersa dito. Ito yung paganon sa doon. Mayroon na nakapunta doon. Okay na yan siya. Dahil bunga ng kalamansi natin dito. Dahil sa malambungan. Wait, meron pa ditong baging. Matanggal. Yun. Nagsasanga yung abukadong maliit. Kapalang baging ng ubi Kado itong bayabas. Kalamansi, nalambungan na.
Why we need to believe Jesus is God, and we need to believe also that He was once a man. In Colossians chapter 1 verse 19 to 20 it says, "For it pleased the Father that in Him all the fullness should dwell, and by Him to reconcile all things to Himself, by Him, whether things on earth or things in heaven, having made peace through the blood of His cross." By not believing that Christ comes from God is a sign of Antichrist. 1 John chapter 2 verse 22. Whoever denies that Jesus is the Christ, this is the Antichrist, he who denies the Father and the Son. And if we do not believe that Jesus was once a man, there is also a danger of becoming an Antichrist. 2 John verse 7. For many deceivers have gone out into the world, those who do not confess that Jesus Christ has come in the flesh. Such a one is the deceiver and the Antichrist.